Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel where positivity and creativity resides. I am Hannah, your host, and in today's video, I am going to share with you how I easily created my very own pair of Dollar Tree Glam farmhouse style wall sconces. I made these wall sconces for this fall season. If you remove the acorns, you can use it easily for any season. If you are visiting my channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you enjoy your visit, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and please remember to turn on the bell icon right beside it and make sure that it is set to all. This will allow YouTube to notify you of all my new uploads. So let's get into this video. So as you can see, I have a glass jar and I'm taking the lid and I am clearly wrapping some twine around the top of the lid and gluing it down. I'm going to leave a description of all items that I'm going to use in this video in the description box. Now most items were purchased from the Dollar Tree. However, the floors that you will see were not purchased from the Dollar Tree. They were purchased from Hobby Lobby. So the frame that you see in front of me are the frames that you can get from the Dollar Tree that usually says 1 o'clock or relax, and it's written in like white paint. Well, what I did was typically I started with a razor to remove the writing. It was taking a long time, and I remembered that I had some acetone, so I used the acetone to remove it, and it came off easily. So if you have acetone polish remover, I suggest that you use that method. And so that's what that frame looked like. So you guys, this was such a easy DIY. I really enjoyed this one and I think it is super cute. I mean, I was inspired by all the beautiful things that you see in Hobby Lobby, and they have some gorgeous things, you guys, for the fall season. But some of the things that I saw, I figured that maybe I could recreate. I was inspired by so many pieces, and this is one of them. And so that's where I got the idea for this wall sconce, you guys. And it's, oh my gosh, just wait till you see the end of it. I hope that you enjoy it as much as I did. So right here in this frame, all I'm doing is taking the rope that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm just gluing it down around the frame. Now, if you choose to, you can take this rope and wrap it all the way around the frame. I didn't wrap it on the bottom, and I don't know really why. I just wanted to see what it looked like without the bottom. Once I put them up, I think that I would have preferred putting a little bit rope on the bottom, but by that time, I didn't have enough. So either way, I wasn't going to be able to put it underneath the bottom. But that's neither here or there. It still looks really good, so I'm still satisfied. And as you can see in this video, I tried not to speed up any of the frames. For those who do not like sped up frames, I'm not sure if any of you guys have an issue with the picture being sped up, the video being sped up or not, but I figured that in this particular video, I would try not speeding it up. If that works for you, then let me know down below, and if it doesn't, also let me know down below in the comment section. I'm just trying to get a feel, you guys, for what you want, what works for all of us, so that everyone is happy. And I know you can't please everyone, but I am trying. Okay, so taking my glass jar and my E6000 or fits all here in this case. First of all, I don't think I mentioned to you guys that I got the glass jars in I think it was a 18 pack from my local supermarket store one day. They were having a sale, and so I had a few of them left over, so that's where I got these from. Now you can get them from your craft stores easily. They're a little bit more pricey, but check your supermarkets as well, because sometimes you can get those boxes of them a lot cheaper than individually at the craft stores. So as you see, I'm using my permanent glue and my hot glue so I can adhere this down to the frame. Now this is a glass frame, so it works really well with the permanent glue. And in case you guys are wondering what I am doing with my finger, I am pretty much using my finger as a marker to know how far up I want it from the bottom of the frame, because I'm going to be making two of these. I'm just going to share with you one, but I'm making two. And then these are the floors that I got from Hobby Lobby for the fall season. They are so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I really didn't want to unwrap these babies because they were just so pretty as one bunch. But you know, a great tip if you're going to be making multiple DIYs, if you buy on clearance when the seasons are going out, you buy the floors in bunches, you can always separate them and use them in a variety of different ways. Now these stones, you guys, are clearly optional. I thought that it added a nice rustic style, so I took a couple of those stones, about 5, because I didn't want to weigh it down too much, to put at the bottom of the glass. So if you're looking from underneath the sconce, that you can see that element underneath there, and it kind of gave you that rustic farmhouse vibe. And then I put some of that raffia, I think I'm pronouncing that right, straw that you can get from the Dollar Tree in there, and it also added to the rustic fall farmhousey kind of style. And then I'm just going to place my floors in there. Now I did try to put a little bit of hot glue on the very tip of it, but you guys, it didn't matter and it really didn't work, so that's why I kind of cut that part out of the frame. But you may be able to get it to adhere down a little better. I really didn't give it a really good try, but you may be able to have success with that. And then I've taken some of these cute little acorns I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a couple of them glued down to the floors to add in that fall aspect. And then I'm going to show you guys the reveal. I told you this was a very simple DIY. Oh, before I show you the reveal, I want to also show you that I added some fairy lights that I got from the Dollar Tree to this DIY. Okay, lovelies, this is the fairy lights that I was talking about. You can get them from the Dollar Tree. If they're not in your store, just order them online. For $1, they are great. It's a small little strand and it comes with a little battery pack, but the batteries do not come with it. You will have to buy them separately. So I'm just going to turn my sconce over, and I'm just going to glue it down with some hot glue. It works just fine. Glue it down to the back of the frame, trying to hide it behind the jar so that you can't see it. And then I'm going to play with those little fairy wires and glue them down in random spots along the frame. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. I think it is super cute and super easy to recreate. So if you do like it, please let me know in the comment section below. And also be sure to share it with your family and your friends. For the fall season, this will be a great DIY, or a DIY for you to recreate and gift to someone. So just let me know, and also let me know if you like the style of me not speeding up the video, or if you prefer for me to speed it up. And so thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the reveal.